Hi and welcome, this is Eleni, and today's video is a journal page called A Taste for Nature, and it was a prompt from a daily art challenge I participated in during January. There is a flip through video of all the prompts I did for that here on YouTube, and I will leave you the link to it in the description box below. When I'm doing daily art challenges, it is hard for me to also share process videos of them because it takes too much time to edit them. And also I would have to paint having the journal laying flat to film the process like I usually do for my videos, and that makes you see things in a weird angle, as many of you YouTubers will certainly know. So when doing these challenges, it is much easier for me not to film them. But some of you requested to see how I do it, so I thought I would film and share the video of my page for this prompt with you. It is of course the same process as in most of my videos, with the only difference being that I first do a research about the prompt, because I don't always fully understand them, as English is not my first language. Then I look through the internet to find pictures and photos that will inspire me, and this specific one is inspired by a picture from Pinterest. Be careful though, if you are going to sell your art, that you are using royalty-free pictures. Then I start the drawing using whatever pencil I find at the moment. I'm not picky about that, and I do the shading with blending stamps. And a piece of advice here is don't clean your blending stamps, because this way there will always be some graphite on their left that will help you with the shading. And another tip for you: if you are intimidated to use watercolors, just start with colored pencils, like I do here, because they are easier to control and you will get the outlining the way you like it, and maybe a little bit of shading as well. So then when you will use the watercolors, there is a less chance for you to mess it up, because the lines of the pencils will not be smudged or erased. I am a Jane Davenport fan, and I really love and enjoy her art supplies. I find them to be fun, interesting, colorful, and they inspire me to play with them. So you will mostly see me use her products in my videos, but that doesn't mean that you have to have the same ones for playing along with me. I am usually putting a general term on my captions, like watercolors. That means that you can use whatever brand of watercolors you have, or paint pens. You can use whatever brand of paint pens you have, and so on. As you can see here, I'm also not cleaning my watercolor palette, because the dry leftover watercolor on there can easily be used the next time you take it out. I will mostly play with watercolors here today, but also use some colored pencils and some paint pens. And what I usually like to do is to finish it off with soft pastels, because I like how they smooth everything out. I will also use some collage pieces that I found on the internet and printed out. They are roses and butterflies, and you will see me put clear gesso over the roses so that I can go over them with watercolors, and you will see me put glue only in the center of the butterflies so that their wings can be left free and dimensional. I will also use dot markers that are really fun to play with. And on the left side of the journal we have Mr. Darcy from Jane Austen's book. That was from another prompt, and maybe later on I will unify the two pages in some way. I have to think about it. Maybe she's laying on the grass thinking of him, who knows. Anyway, hope you enjoy my process and hopefully get inspired. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for being here. Stay safe and see you soon. Love and kisses.